Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 20th of June. Looking at Bitcoin to start with, we've got a good buy signal here, 5 waves up to there, then we had the A, B, C, and a spike right on the 50% retracement, which is this line here. But we've now, we rallied nicely in fact, but come back, tested support again, another 5 waves up, down again. It's not really quite following the script. Let's have a look at the, let's adjust the lines here. So let's hypothesize that maybe the C is coming in at the moment. The A is original ABC, down to there, and the B is the ABC off that high. It's rather prolonged medium. Okay, so still see no resolution to this correction. What I want to see is obviously shooting ahead. Whether I want to take out support first, I don't know. So obviously stops are vulnerable at this point. Just have to see how it goes really. So the actual pattern looks pretty solid. Just is failing to go along with the plan really. Ethereum is the same. We had the clear 5 waves up to there. A nice ABC down, a nice spike, but another leg's come in, so now got an A, B, C. Bit of a 5 there, but not that clear. So we're still waiting for a decent buying response to confirm the buy signal, which of course may not come in, but certainly it's a good looking opportunity, but they don't always work out of course. That's all I can say for the time being, I think. Alright, gold. I mentioned a few weeks ago, Evel Knievel, who works with Martin Bester, he's still called that, has been saying that the June expiry on gold could see prices up to $2,000 because of a shortage of the actual real stuff, which may need to be delivered on the 20th. So we could see a spectacular move in the next, next week really. It remains to be seen. I mean, the chart patterns, as I've been saying all week, ABC decline, look positive. So we are long of gold, although we've been long of gold for quite a long time now. The big call's still in play from a year or so ago. I get a precise date now, but that's what big call's all about. These big moves that last a long time. Actually, it's a matter of then choosing when to get in and get out, maybe take some profit, go in again, etc., etc. Gold stocks down a bit, but still doing very well from where they were a year or two ago. Right, opposite expiry, which is I think triple, even quadruple witching we saw yesterday. It's the quarter day. We had a possible 5 down on all the equity markets, but also a 5 up. Saw some selling coming in at the close last night, so triple witching can be a time when the market going into next week, but certainly the potential for a forward. This is a 5, and this is a 61.8% retracement. But we've obviously not so clear on foot. Same position on the DAX, possible 5 waves down. My cursor's gone to from there, and ABC may now be in place up to here, with some selling coming in last night, which could accelerate next week. It's quite hard to predict these markets, given there's massive money churning into them, to try and give the impression of try and save the world, I suppose, in some senses, or at least. I mean, the Romans went through this 2,000 years ago, trying to bolster up the sad reality of the economy with printing loads of cash. All they succeeded in doing was totally devaluating the currency by 99%, and the Roman Empire was history as a result. And we're seeing the same thing now really, with the fiat currencies heading the way of all fiat currencies, and we have the pleasure of experiencing this in our lives, which we perhaps do without, I guess. We'll see how it pans out, of course, but this again could be a big move in the making, not too much just yet. And the Dow ditto, so we've got the 5 waves off the top, having seen 5 waves up into this peak. Big rally, we're starting to fall away now, and accelerating a bit into the close last night. So again, it could be a fairly unpleasant week next week. As I say, the expiry was on Friday. So for today, I've been monitoring this quite carefully going into the week. The cryptos really look poised to go ahead, but they're just not doing it right now. Ditto, well, goals are, of course, going ahead quite substantially over the last couple of years. That's been one of our better big calls. Equities, well, they're in a rather strange state right now. So on that note, I'll call it a day. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.